Every year, in celebration of National Public Works Week, the City of Richmond welcomes residents to the Public Works Open House. It's a free and fun afternoon of behind-the-scenes experiences, interactive events, food, and entertainment. It's also an opportunity for the Engineering and Public Works Department to publicly acknowledge our operations staff who provide essential services. City staff enjoy showcasing their daily work that ensures the health and safety of our community. Families navigate the event through the Discovery Passport, where they can get stamps at each staff-hosted activity.
We love it. We've been coming since my 19-year-old was like 2 or 3 years old. We come every single year, and it keeps getting better. At every turn, there's something new and exciting.
Are you going to the dunk tank?
We hope to see you at next year's Public Works Open House.